Hi everyone, I'm back again. This is my last video and my last topic is about profit maximization, perfect competition short run. Let us all let us all first define the word perfect competition. Perfect competition is a market structure in which the following criteria are met. In perfect competition, there is a large number of sellers and buyers. In perfect competition, all firm sells all firm all firms sell identical product. Number two, all firms are price takers. They cannot control the market price of their product. Why? Because the seller of a the seller in a perfect competition is in the control of just a small portion of the market. So even he if the seller sets the price lower or higher, it is nonsense. If the seller sets the price lower, he has no assurance that all buyers will go to him because again, he is only in the control of he is only in control of just a small portion of the market. And if he sets the price, if the seller sets the price higher, the tendency is that no buyer will go to that seller because, as I've said, in perfect competition, all firms sells all firms sell identical product. So the consumer or the buyer is not afraid even if that seller is that seller sets the price higher. The consumer or the buyer can go to another seller. Number three, all firms have a relatively small market share. Number four, buyers have complete information about the product being sold and the prices charged by each firm. And lastly, the industry is characterized by a freedom of entry and exit because in perfect competition, there is a very low entry and exit barrier. Now, let's take a look at the cost and the revenue of the seller in a perfect competition by drawing or illustrating a table for a visual purpose. Variable cost, fixed cost, marginal cost, and the quantity are always given. So to be able to get the average total cost divided by the quantity. But we we don't have total cost yet. So let us first get the total cost. To be able to get the total cost is equal to the sum of the variable cost and the fixed cost. So, total cost in quantity 1 is 110. Total cost in quantity 2 is 122, 126, 160, 190, 220, 275, 340, 415, and 500. So let's now get the average total cost. Again, total cost divided by quantity. So, average total cost quantity 1 is 110. Quantity 2, average total cost is 61. Number 3, average total cost is, let's look it for it, 45.3. Number 4, 160 divided by 4 is 40. And 190 divided by 5 is 38. To be able to get the average variable cost, the solution is variable cost divided by the quantity. So the average variable cost in quantity 1 is equal to 10. Variable cost in quantity 2 is 11, 12, 15, 18, 20, 25, 30, 35, and 40. So to be able to get the average fixed cost divided by the quantity. T 33.43, 85, divided by 6 is 16.67. Divided by 7. 14.29. Divided by 8 is 12.9. Another divided by 9 is 11.11. And lastly, it is 10. So, to be able, marginal revenue is the additional revenue for every additional product being sold. Marginal cost is the additional cost for every additional cost being produced. In a perfect competition, marginal revenue is always the same regardless of the quantity being sold. Why? Because um, as I said on the earlier discussion, the in perfect competition, all firms sells identical product and they don't have the control on the price and they are price takers. So they will follow the price in the market. That's why in regardless of the quantity being sold, the price is always the same. So in this case, the price is 30. And the marginal cost, to be able to get the marginal cost, the solution is um, total cost minus the preceding total cost. So from nothing to quantity 1, from um, so from nothing to quantity 1, the marginal cost is 110. From quantity 2 to quantity 1, the marginal cost is 12 because 122 minus 110 is 12. From quantity 3 to quantity 2, the marginal cost is 12, 14, and so on. So this is the marginal cost. In in perfect competition, profit maximization rule is marginal cost is equal to marginal revenue. So in here, the point of intersection of the marginal revenue and the marginal cost is quantity 5 and quantity 6. So a profit will be maximized if the seller produce 5 or 6 units. That's all. Thank you.